Hey everyone, welcome to Coding Easy. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to create a bootable USB drive for Ubuntu using Windows computer. This is a super easy process. We require three things: fast internet, USB drive, minimum 8 GB storage, and Windows computer. Let's get started. First things first, we need to download the Ubuntu ISO file. This is the image of the operating system that we will be putting onto the USB drive. Open browser and search Ubuntu download. Click on first option, scroll down and click download Ubuntu desktop. New page will open. Now click download LTS. It is 6 GB file size. Your download start automatically. If download doesn't start automatically, then click download now. After downloading ISO file, open new tab and search for Rufus download. Click first option. Scroll down and click on the latest Rufus file for Windows to download. After downloading Rufus executable file, double click to run. Now Rufus application is open. Insert your USB drive and select it. Now select ISO file in boot selection which we downloaded earlier. Then click start as default setting if your system is BIOS based. If your system is UEFI based, then change MBR to GPT, then click start. We get pop-up to select mode. Click OK on recommended. Then we get another pop-up warning that all data on USB drive will be destroyed. So, if there is important file in USB drive, first copy on your computer. If not, then click OK to proceed. Rufus will begin to creating the bootable USB. This process may take few minutes depending on the speed of your USB drive. So wait. Rufus is done, you will see ready at the bottom of the window. Your USB drive is now bootable with Ubuntu. And that's it. You are successfully created a bootable USB drive with Ubuntu using Windows. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tech tutorials. If you have any doubts or run into any issue, feel free to leave a comment down below and I will do my best to help you out. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.